Get up on your move. Get up and move your little feet. Head on over to where we keep the sheets. Laundry. Laundry line. Shut.
No. That's where we keep them. No, that's true.
Anywhere.
Where do we keep the clean sheets?
Laundry, linen, linen in the bathroom.
Where do we keep the...
Get the cabinet.
On the couch.
No, that's the wrong one. That's towels.
No. I see. Right here. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a big one.
It's big. You don't crawl up on something and lift a very large present. Just thinking on your part, Mom.
Population control.
Good night.
That one.
What is it, Jess?
Diapers.
What is it?
Look at Lou. It has a hole in the bottom of its butt. Look at what I got, Lorraine. Look what I got.
It does have bowel movements.
Yeah, well, it pees.
What? It's large.
Pay me a river. Pay me a river.
What else? Baby enema.
What does it poop?
Baby buried in
Does it poop?
Yeah, she really wets and dirties her diaper.
Oh,
She craps.
Okay.
He craps a lot, don't he? Shane's turn.
Ow. She got a baby again. Another baby. Another baby.
I burped. You got a burp.
I burped too. Wee. I pooped the baby.
Yeah, what a burp.
Pooped the baby.
Now you got things that make all sorts of rude noises.
Oh, it's a puzzle piece, dude.
The cat.
Sizzle.
Woo.
Scoot over. Move over, honey.
Little bunny. I got it.
What is it?
What is it? Don't know, but there it is. Got one of those things. It's a chia bunny. Yeah. Okay, I think we're...
Beans
are
all good, but they make you fat.
fart.
Fart. Mine don't.
Please.
Please look under the
Telephone.
telephone
Cart.
cost. Where's the telephone cost?
Oh, she's looking under it. Get that on there.
What is it?
Jack's alive.
Jack's alive. Oh, you know what? That was supposed to be for, yeah. There you go, Shane.
She did all your work for you.
Sorry.
Okay.
Shut the camera. Open up the kitchen.
No pushing or shoving.
Oven. Ooh, yeah. Up in.
First time she's ever been happy looking in your oven.
That's a problem.
Now it's time for
Our
our
spring
spring fun.
fling.
Fling.
What
What
could
could be in the
tire
title?
Grandma's mean, but Grandpa's meaner. Look in the place with the vacuum cleaner.
I was thinking of toilet.
around so she can see the camera.
Why? Another shot of Jason's butt. Why?
Why
Don't
don't you check out Grandpa's what?
Are you happy? Do you have good luck? Why don't you check out Grandpa's
Bunk.
But
bunk? No.
Jasmine, his wallet. Bunk.
His wallet. Here we go.
His wallet.
No. No. Grandpa's truck.
We'll go around the backyard. Bushes. Jen, bushes.
Over there, Lisa, is that it?
Yeah.
This could take a while.
Little Patsy. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a big one.
It's a big one. Now, do you really put trash in there? Just don't hold it. Hurt my every present she opens. You guys get all the crap out of the trees. Get the trash out of the trees too. You can take it inside, open it? It's open. What are you talking about? The bushes opened it.
Hey, Grandpa got a knife?
don't need one. Got a knife? You can have that.
Look, now I have my own picture.
Yes.